Hey guys, Cam here from today's iPhone.com, and today we're looking at a brand new camera app and it's called Gestures, and the reason I wanted to show you it is because it's entirely different from anything else I've used currently. The reason it's called Gestures is very simple. It's all entirely gesture based, so you'll see on the screen here, this is the user interface. There are no buttons, there are no settings to access, there's nothing. I mean, all we have at the bottom here is a couple of labels that tell you when you switch between different modes, and that's all done via gestures. So to switch between modes, you can switch to the front facing camera by swiping left like so, and there you have me on the front facing camera. Now if I switch back, and then I can switch to the gallery and you can see some of the photos I've already taken. Now this is the camera user interface, and there are a few controls. There are 6 different gestures that you can use for different controls. Now one of them is a tap, which just captures the image, and you'll see there it captures it like so. A double tap will focus, so if I hold my guitar pick here and I double tap like so, you'll see that I focus on there and I can take a picture, and it focuses anyway when it takes the picture. So that's quite an unusual choice. But what you can also do is if I swipe up and down, I change, you can see I'm changing filters, and the list of the names of the filters come up on the side in capital letters, so I can change to a filter like this one, double tap on the plectrum, take a picture, and there you have the filters. They're all in real time, all easy to use, and they just switch really simply and beautifully. Now what you might find is that sometimes with the single digit gestures that you might make a gesture by accident when you were trying to do another one. For instance, sometimes when I try to go up and down, it thinks I want to drag it sideways, but then I guess that's probably my fault. Now there are other gestures. For instance, you can pinch in to zoom in and out like so, and you'll see the zoom in a little icon in the middle of the screen. What you can also do is if I use 2 fingers to swipe up or down, I can switch my flash off like so, or auto, or on. You can see that it changes between them. Flash off, flash auto, and flash on. And these same gestures kind of apply when you go into the gallery as well. And these kind of gestures apply in the gallery as well. Now this, you'll see, is an image that I just took, and if I pinch in, you will see this is my camera roll. And if I want to select one of them, I can just tap on there like so. But if I want to tap and select multiple ones, then I can tap and select one over here, and then I've selected all of those, and I can deselect them individually, or I can just double tap and select that one. Also do is use 3 fingers and that's supposed to delete. There is a 3-finger gesture that's supposed to let you kind of share it like so. That isn't the easiest in the world to use, and you can share it via Facebook, Twitter, Flickr, or email like so, and it will attach itself to your Facebook feed. Now there's clearly some work to be done here because look at it. I mean, I don't know how to get back to my gallery. It won't let me get out of here. So in that kind of way, it is kind of frustrating. There's a cancel button down here that I can just about see, but that's not doing anything. So the only way I can think to get out of this is to delete it and start again, cancel it and start again. So you can see, I mean, first impressions, actually using the camera app itself, it's really nice to have a completely uncluttered user interface. It's nice to be able to just scroll through filters like this and to focus using double tap to focus. But as for everything else, for the 3-finger swipes on a screen this small, it doesn't really work well. It's quite clunky, it's frustrating, and that's in the gallery mostly. Most of the features in the actual camera part is fantastic, and the front-facing camera is pretty limited, but it does what it needs to do. But definitely some work needs to be done in the gallery, because that for me is just not working properly at the moment. It's free on the App Store. If you want something like this to take your pictures with quickly and easily, you can download it now. It's compatible with anything that runs iOS 7, and it's free, so give it a go. I'll leave a link in the description box. I've been Cam. I'm at TIP_Cam on Twitter. I will see you again soon.